Do you want to see all the comments you've ever made on Facebook? Here's a quick guide to finding your complete comment history. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three-line icon in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings in the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Activity Log and tap on it. In the Activity Log, tap the drop-down arrow next to your Facebook activity. Select Comments and Reactions from the list. Tap on the Comments option. You will now see a chronological list of every comment you have posted on Facebook. From here, you can review your history or select specific comments if you wish to remove them. And there, guys, this is how to see all your comments on Facebook on your phone. And if you have any questions or confusions, please comment in the comment section. And thank you for watching, guys. Peace.